Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to InVideo for script to video editing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.invideo.io. Press the enter key to navigate to the InVideo homepage. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button. Click on sign up to create a new account. You will be presented with different sign up options. You can choose to sign up with your email, Google account, or Facebook account. If using email, enter your email address and create a password. Then, click on the sign up button to proceed. Next, check your email for a verification message from InVideo. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the InVideo website. Now, click on the login button. Enter your email and password to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the pricing section. This is typically found in the top menu bar. Review the different subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best meets your needs. Click on the Get Started or Choose Plan button. You'll be prompted to enter payment details. Fill in your payment information securely. Once done, review your order and click on the Purchase button. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. Explore the platform to start creating your first script-to-video project. Familiarize yourself with the available templates and editing tools. Enjoy your editing journey with InVideo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.